Get charged up for the new Hyundai IONIQ, the world's first vehicle to be offered in 3 electrified powertrains: hybrid, electric, and plug-in hybrid. The IONIQ's striking coupe-like silhouette creates a strong first impression. Beyond the stylish design are the aerodynamic lines and details that enhance every aspect of driving dynamics and efficiency. Advanced and energy-efficient LED lighting surrounds the IONIQ. New LED lights illuminate the front, sides, and back. Dark parking lot, electric folding side mirrors with puddle lamp lighting provide added visibility as you approach your car. The IONIQ's eco-alloy wheels enhance the sporty design. Air intakes beside the daytime running lights help reduce turbulence for better fuel efficiency. Immerse yourself inside the redesigned cabin. It will be your new happy place. Open the door to convenience with the proximity keyless entry and push-button start. And once your headlights are turned on, enjoy the stylish touch of ambient blue lighting. Keep on top of your IONIQ's performance with the available Supervision cluster, featuring a 7-inch color LCD screen. Think of the 10.25-inch touchscreen display as your connectivity hub where you can tap into your navigation system for directions. Enjoy the 8-speaker Harman Kardon premium audio system. Every note sounds crisp and clear. Chill in the air? Nothing feels more cozy than a heated steering wheel. And heated seats surround you and your passengers, yes, those in the back too, in total warmth. Make yourself comfortable with the 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat. You'll appreciate the lumbar support on long commutes. Once you find ultimate comfort, you won't have to fear losing your preferred settings thanks to the available driver's integrated memory system. Now that you're settled, open the power sunroof for a breath of fresh air. Eco cars aren't exactly known for their cargo space, but the IONIQ breaks the rules with its innovative battery design to maximize space, so you can enjoy 60/40 split-fold rear seatbacks and a full, flat trunk. The IONIQ is equipped to help keep you connected. Our available BlueLink system offers plenty of convenient features like remote start from your smartphone and Find My Car, because we've all found ourselves lost in the parking lot. Access many of your smartphone apps on the touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Phone battery running low? Place it on the wireless charging pad, no cord required. The IONIQ surrounds you with safety. Starting at the core with the superstructure. Constructed of our own ultra-rigid advanced high-strength steel, it provides a safe and comfortable ride. Then there's Hyundai SmartSense, our suite of safety features that surround you with innovation, like forward collision avoidance assist. It warns you of a potential collision with a vehicle, pedestrian, or cyclist. If you don't stop in time, emergency braking can be applied. High beam assist detects lighting conditions and vehicles ahead, automatically turning high beams on and off. Lane following assist can assist your steering to help keep the vehicle continuously centered between the appropriate lane markings. And adaptive cruise control adjusts your speed to keep your preset distance from the vehicle ahead. It even works in stop-and-go traffic. When actively engaged with both adaptive cruise control with traffic stop-and-go and lane following assist, this semi-autonomous driving technology helps keep you centered in your lane and traveling at a safe distance behind the vehicle ahead. If you drift outside your lane, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist will alert you with audible and visual cues. The system can also gently correct your steering to help you remain within your lane. Change lanes confidently with help from blind spot collision warning with lane change assist. It provides an audible and visual cue if a vehicle is in your blind spot. Long drive? Driver attention warning monitors signs of driver fatigue and can suggest taking a break. Busy parking lots are sometimes difficult to navigate. That's where rear cross-traffic collision warning comes into play. As you're backing out, it warns you if a vehicle is approaching from the side. And parking distance warning reverse lets you know if you're getting too close to an object when you're backing up. Finally, the integrated tire pressure monitoring system makes safety a top priority, with sensors for optimal tire functionality and real-time individual tire pressure monitoring. Ready for the power of choice? Whichever you choose, with IONIQ you get an extremely engaging driving experience, plus an efficient commuter vehicle. Let's start with the IONIQ Hybrid. Canada's most fuel-efficient car. The IONIQ Hybrid can travel up to 1,098 kilometers on a single tank of gas. With a full parallel hybrid drive system, the IONIQ Hybrid can run on the 1.6-liter GDI engine, the 32-kilowatt electric motor, or both. The electric motor's energy is stored in the highly advanced lithium-ion polymer battery. The benefit? Optimized power and improved fuel economy. A 6-speed dual-clutch transmission features paddle shifters mounted on the steering wheel for an engaging driving experience. The active air shutters in the IONIQ's hybrid grille further enhance fuel efficiency, opening to allow greater airflow for engine cooling in stop-and-go traffic, and then closing for better aerodynamics at sustained cruising speeds. Tailor the driving feel to your style with selective drive modes that adjust a number of components, such as throttle response and steering effort. Choose between Eco and Sport. Next up is the IONIQ Electric. Enjoy an enhanced emissions-free driving range of up to 274 kilometers on a single charge. It can be conveniently charged from home, work, or at a public charging station. The electric motor is powered by the lithium-ion polymer battery. Equipped with Canadian winters in mind, the battery temperature management system pre-warms the battery, and the heat pump system helps improve efficiency of the heating and air conditioning system. Together, these features maximize performance and driving range. Helping to keep the battery charged while you drive, adjustable regenerative braking via the steering wheel mounted paddles offers enhanced efficiency. Further adding to the aerodynamic efficiency, with no need for engine cooling, the unique closed front grille is a sleek and smooth surface that just glides through the wind. Want the best of both worlds? Check out the IONIQ plug-in hybrid. Electric when you want it, gas when you need it. Get up to 47 kilometers of emissions-free driving. Need the flexibility to travel further? No problem. When the electric-only range is depleted, the vehicle will run like a traditional hybrid. The 1.6-liter GDI engine is paired with the electric motor, so you can travel up to 1,014 kilometers on a single tank of gas. Similar to the hybrid model, the plug-in hybrid also features the 6-speed transmission with steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters and active grille shutters to enhance efficiency, and selectable drive modes to match your driving style. The IONIQ comes with peace of mind thanks to our 5-year, 100,000-kilometer comprehensive warranty. And if you get a flat tire, no worries. The 5-year unlimited kilometer roadside assistance program has your back. And each powertrain features an 8-year, 160,000-kilometer system warranty. The redesigned Hyundai IONIQ Hybrid, Electric, and Plug-in Hybrid. Which one will you choose?